If you are using a GNU Linux operating system, and if you have an older DSLR or mirrorless camera, which is on this list of supported cameras in gphoto.org, you are able to use your camera as a webcam. Note that the maximum resolution will be 480 by 320 pixels, and this guide requires using the terminal. My camera is a Canon M50 Mark II. I am using an Arch Linux distribution which uses Pacman as the package manager. These are the must-have packages for this to work. Once the packages are installed, we can start by checking how many /dev/video devices we have. We do this so that we know which one will be our added camera. We will run this command, which will do the following. Using super user permissions, insert the module v4l2 loopback with these two parameters to create a dev video stream from our camera's output and allow it to be used as an input in any program, for example OBS or FFplay. This module is only inserted for the current session. If you want to remove the previously inserted module, you can execute rmmod with the module name. Don't forget sudo for super user permissions. On reboot, this module won't be automatically imported. For that, you need to add the module into /etc/modules. All relevant pages about documentation can be found in the description. If you disliked the video, press thumbs down and leave a comment so we can improve. My name is Stoneflesh and I love open source.